How we doing, everybody? OPD here. Kind of went down a video rabbit hole this morning, trying to get some stuff ready for the knife show. And while I was getting some things ready, I was watching Kevin, the knife doctor, digging around at a antique store with one of his buddies, and he commented that his buddy Wade liked the old like the kitchen knives, and so I just happen to have a few of those that I have acquired. I've got my old hickory sets, but I'm going to keep that. But this one here, this is a Chicago Cutlery. Very nice, big old kitchen knife. Then I got this little paring knife, or whatever you want to call it here. This is a Robeson. I don't know if the camera's picking that up or not. This is another Robeson. Kind of sort of like a fillet knife, but it's just a kitchen knife. And this is another larger Robeson, missing one of the rivets. Maybe I can replace that prior to the show. But then these are all case knives down here. This big case carver. Another big case. This one has the emblem or badge on it. It's kind of cool. Another big carving knife by Case. And then this is another, this is a partially serrated smooth blade type knife. This one is serrated edge. But those are the kitchen knives that I've collected over the past few months, solely to take up to the show. Again, typically I'm not a reseller. I don't pick up knives for the purpose of reselling them. That because of the show and having to have something to sell, I pick these up. And they're great knives. I've got nearly a whole set. I don't know where it's at right now. Yes, I do, right here. This is nearly a whole set. If Kevin's buddy Wade happens to be watching this, and if he buys and collects these case knives, if he has the one that's missing here, maybe we can work out a swap or a trade. Maybe I can trade him some of these other ones, but I believe it's going to be about, about this size. Like a, this is the little paring knife. Okay, so it would be the next size up, probably, the 5-inch blade or whatever knife that would. So maybe I can. Yeah, so the blade would be about 1 inch longer than this one, this Robeson. And, but yeah, this whole set, nice little wall hanger, put on the wall. I probably wouldn't do that. I'd probably just leaning it up against the shelf on the man cave. If I had a man cave. One of these days I'll show you the Cheesy Moon Workshop. You've seen pictures of the outside. Inside, I'm at the dining room table, and I got a little desk beside me here, loaded down with way, way too much stuff. But yeah, Kevin, see if Mr. Wade might have that missing knife, and maybe we can do a trade with some of these other ones, or anybody else watching, if you might have that missing knife that's about that size with the case badge on it, let me know. There you go, another Sunday morning video from the Cheesy Moon Workshop. Please remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and above all, have a beautiful day.